Samantala, tumangging magkomento ang palasyo kaugnay sa naging editorial ng isang pahayagan sa China. Nakasaad dito ang paghingi kay Pangulo Aquino ng public apology dahil umano sa serye ng mga pag-atake sa Chinese national sa Pilipinas. Tulad na lamang ng pamamaril sa Bulacan at 2 insidente ng kidnapping. Ayon kay Presidential Spokesperson Edwin Lasierda, hindi na magkokomento ang palasyo ukol dito. Ngunit pagtitiyak ng kalihim, walang diskriminasyon sa Pilipinas sa mga Chinese nationals.
We have not seen any discrimination. We have not seen any form of hostility towards our Filipino-Chinese or the mainland Chinese who are here. So we don't have any incidents that happen in the other Southeast Asian countries when it comes to their Chinese citizens. So I think that's unfair for them to say that. And I don't think you should not put any political color. We will deal with those criminal elements as an ordinary police enforcement issue, a law enforcement issue, and no, nothing political.